Day 2. On day 2, we set off for the Mohammed VI Museum for the Water Civilization in Morocco, the most important landmark in Marrakech for anyone who is interested in water. The first event was the Shark Tank. No, wait, this is the wrong movie. Oh no! Wow, I didn't mean using teeth, but something equally as sharp, the mind.
So this morning we're going to have a Shark Tank. It's first off, there's a lot of virgin sharks on the panel, but I think it's going to be marvelous. It's a dynamic set of sharks.
Now, intense networking commenced. Partnerships in scaling up community-based EW water management toward a gender protocol for the TDA-SAP process. Using planning tools for the TDA-SAP development, environmental pressures and investment solutions using the TDA-SAP. Then, some of us enjoyed a technical site visit to a project funded by the GEF. Here, we see a very innovative solution to the energy crisis. After a long day, nothing is as good as afternoon tea in a secret garden, where there is peace of mind, a little island in the dynamic city of Marrakech. We hope that you will find time to reflect on what happened this day and have a brisk start for day 3.
Today was excellent. I really enjoyed the Water Museum very much. The fog capturing technology was really amazing, and also to learn a lot about history and culture of water and Morocco.
It's been a great day actually. Yeah, we started out, well today we've been at the Water Museum and had some very good sessions, and also a fantastic tour of the museum, cherishing the knowledge of water, and I think that's a great thing, that they're actually, capturing the tradition in Morocco and some old and new technology and knowledge about water. And then of course we had the city tour with, and to see some parts of Marrakech was really nice.